I want to take the privilege to first of all congratulate His Excellency and the government of Rivers State on this grand occasion of your first anniversary in office. We are indeed extremely delighted that we have a governor of your caliber. We salute your leadership on this occasion. We salute your humanity on this occasion. We salute your humility on this occasion. We salute your propensity and preference for peace, tranquility. Associated with a governor like yourself, our very presence here today, I believe, makes the point that we are your supporters. We don't have to talk too much about it. Anybody who's a politician understands that by standing here and making a grand political statement, we are the face of the people who are behind. And we're many, millions of people, Rivers people, chiefs, traditional rulers, elder statesmen, businessmen. We make the silent majority that are behind, supporting the effort of the government to emancipate the people and to bring development to Rivers State. Let me take the opportunity to call upon all and sundry, all our people, wherever you are, to give your utmost support to the government, because for the very first time, government has moved away from the time when the governor was seen as a teen god, a time when the governor demanded worship, so to say, to a time when the governor has become a symbol, a rallying point for the people, a rallying point for accountability of resources of our people, a rallying point for bringing all our people into the same boat. We're in an era where massive and extended consultation is the order of the day, when nobody's view is thrown away. On this grand occasion of your first anniversary, we further associate with you. We further greet you, and we wish you all the best in office in the first four years of your tenure. After that, we'll see how it goes. You can be rest assured that the way you are performing, the people will certainly rally around behind you to give you another term in office. We'll make a bold declaration that 4 plus 4 is equals to what? nnamdikanu. Kalaman Mekau. nnamdikanu Chukwu o mekene. Your Excellency, (35 kilometers or 32 kilometers of dual carriage highway is not a child's play anywhere in the country. This is the kind of project that only the federal government has the capacity to do. We have seen your bold initiative to accomplish it. As we were coming, we could see the concerted effort of the contractor just 2 weeks after the marching order. We're encouraged and we believe that this project will be completed on time and on budget. We know that you are an accountant and that you will not allow River State money to be frivolously spent. So we would like to call upon our people. They want has the pa ozinyeji handicap we grow and hobla government gwalam agura kalaro naha. Anumam government bo ha basaro okay. And happen handicap and the room when I na kanaino enyobla city now 2007 appropriate time be me haka be ozan have the mileage. Na yo sunu ndeke bere na nahia okay. Ano black government name Aisha Nyanurima. So that beke belaha beke shy okay guy. Oblanya. Kalaman make up. Mentor. The Grand Master. Your Excellency, Baka no gologo salmon busomano chochabali. Oblanya. It's a long grammar, it's not good for evening service. It is therefore my delight and pleasure to do the needful, which is the primary aim of my coming here, which is to flag off this